Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll show you how to download WhatsApp on your laptop. So let's get started. Step 1. First, you need to open the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. Make sure you have a strong internet connection for a smooth installation. Step 2 now. Click on the search bar and type WhatsApp. And click Enter. Once you've found WhatsApp in the search results, click on it. Then, click on Get to start the download and installation process. You'll see that WhatsApp is downloading, and it might take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once it's finished, you can open it by clicking on the Open button. To make it easier to access, you can create a desktop icon. Just search for WhatsApp in the Start menu. Right-click on it and select Pin to Taskbar. Now you'll have an icon for WhatsApp on your taskbar. Step 3 now. Click on WhatsApp to open it. Then click on to get started. Now it will give you a step by which you can set up your WhatsApp. Follow these steps and scan QR code from mobile. I have scanned the QR code and see my WhatsApp is open. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded WhatsApp on your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.